There's a vandal on the loose in Las Vegas, but if you aren't paying attention, you may drive right by the criminal's artwork. News 13's Dave Malkoff is live on I-15 with the story. Dave?
Well, Michael, while you're driving down I-15 like these folks, you normally glance up at the billboards, but take a look at this one really close. Someone went through a lot of trouble for a larger-than-life joke. Take a drive down I-15 going from downtown Las Vegas towards Desert Inn, and you may notice the McDonald's billboard. When you first look at it, you may not even see it, but a double take reveals a double meaning. Double cheeseburger changed to double bypass. Obviously, someone was trying to reveal to the world that McDonald's food just may be a little high on the cholesterol side.
I guess there's a lot of real health nuts, I guess, but you know, people are going to do what they do, and I'm going to do what I do, so I think they just had too much time on their hands, really.
But who would have done something like this? To print a billboard, you need a printer the size of a room.
You get a sandwich over here, and it can only cost you $1.
We found Stanley at Mickey D's, and he has a theory. Rival restaurants printed the sign.
You know what a tip is? When you go down there, if you spend, $7, they want at least $1.50 tip. Over here, you have no tip at all.
Well, we may never know who the crook is. All we know is he could be walking among us right now. You can only wonder if the next target could be Fatburger. Well, in this country, we do have free speech, but printing billboards is anything but free. Reprinting that billboard could cost McDonald's upwards of $1,000.
Dave would have never noticed it if you didn't point it out.
You just have to look really close and you'll see it.
All right, Dave Malkoff reporting live.
There's a billboard vandal on the loose tonight. Somebody has been changing Valley McDonald signs to say something they shouldn't. News 13's Dave Malkoff is following this story. He's live with a look at one of these signs. This is bizarre, Dave.
Yeah, it is bizarre. You know, Kathy, 7 hours ago, McDonald's Corporation ordered the billboard company to take these things down. It's 11:06 right now. Take a look. This billboard up here says sausage McMuffin with E.Coli, not egg, and this is not the only one in town. Drive by this billboard on I-15 near Desert Inn and you'll see a deal McDonald's doesn't condone. 99 cents gets you a double bypass. Pass by this billboard on 215, you'll see a sausage McMuffin with egg, or make that E. coli 99 cents. We went to McDonald's and showed the tape to some customers like Lisa Mayer.
It says that?
That it does, and for everyone to see on their way to the airport, an ad for a juicy breakfast filled with potentially deadly bacteria.
Oh boy, that sounds delicious.
The signs are altered so well that you may not even notice when you drive by.
Really pay attention to the signs. I mean, I see McDonald's, that's it. I don't read what they say, there's the M's, the golden arches.
How can they do that?
Well, we checked, and doing something like this is not easy. You can see all they changed was the word egg, and they replaced it with a sticker that says E. coli, but a sticker that big would cost $200 to print, and then to get it up there, you'd have to climb the dangling metal ladder.
I think it's amazing. I can't believe it's there and no one's taken it down or anything. Is that what they're really advertising?
Obviously not. McDonald's bosses told us they have already called the billboard company with strict orders to remove the signs.
E. coli.
So now they're coming down and the sign printing prankster is still on the loose. And you know what? McDonald's heard about this because our story aired via satellite in Phoenix, where their regional headquarters are, so they didn't even know about this until our story started airing nationally.
So now they know about it,
Yes.
Dave. Is the corporation sending anybody out to investigate this?
Well, they said they were going to do that. They're going to have someone check all the billboards around here, and then the ones that are changed, they're ordering to come down immediately.
Incredible story.
Yeah.
Okay, Dave Malkoff reporting live.